Hey guys, it's Marius here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making slime, but we have a special guest here, and she is my sister Ellie.
Hi guys! I got my hair done in Thailand, and anyway, that's not necessary. And not only are we making fluffy slime, but we have a twist to it. This cup right here, it has colors inside, like little papers, and we're gonna draw out one color, and whatever color we get, we're gonna use that color for the slime. So yeah, we don't get to choose the color, but yeah, let's get on to the video.
Big shout out to her. Her YouTube channel is Ellie8.
And before we
put the name in the description.
Before we go to the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up if you guys enjoy watching slime videos, and let's get on to the video. So the first thing you need is white glue. But before that, we're just gonna draw out something. Okay, ready? Should I go first?
Okay. Why not?
I'm scared. Red. Okay, I got some red, guys.
Funny enough, before the video, she said she didn't want red.
Oh. Okay.
No. Okay.
Okay. No, wait. Okay. Well, I didn't say I didn't want red. I said
yellow.
No, that's what I wanted. Okay, so I guess we got red and yellow. So
I take this one.
and I'll take red. So first we got to add in our white glue. The red.
By the way, we're making fluffy slime.
Yep. Okay. So don't add too much glue because you also have shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
That's about enough.
That's about enough.
Okay, there you go.
I don't know how much to put.
Not too much. Hold on. Keep going. Oh, stop.
Oh, okay.
Why are you like... Okay, so we've got about the same... Oh my god. Guys, do you see that? If you did, comment down below what... Okay, guys, so next you're going to add in the color. You can add in shaving cream or color first. We're just going to add shaving cream first.
Shaving cream.
I love adding shaving cream. Don't add too much, guys. Just... That would be good. So that's my slime. You can always add more. Here.
This is like laser.
No. That. Then press. And lift your container. Yes. Okay, that's good. So we're starting off with a little bit of shaving cream, and then we're just gonna add more if we need.
Probably can't
Because it's like white glue and shaving cream. But now you're gonna mix it up. Why are you sitting there? It doesn't matter if that happens. I know it gets very uncomfortable, like, you didn't even get in. Just that's it. Guys, look how cool this
Why
is,
don't we
though.
put the paint in first?
You can do any. Guys, look how fluffy and cool that is. Okay, next you're gonna put in the paint, so.
Oh, where do I put this?
Just do that. No, that's gonna spill. Just
1 second.
So guys, the next thing is paint. And yeah. We're just gonna wait for him.
There we go.
He's getting paper. Okay. That's true, thank you. I always make a mess, so that's good. Okay, so this is scarlet red. It says
Scarlet red.
okay, and his is
Yellow.
lemon yellow. That sounds cool. Okay, so now we're just gonna add in our color.
Why is this tape?
How much do you want? That's good. Oh my god, you wasted so much paint. Oh my god, guys.
That's like an egg. See, it's like white. Oh god. Oh no.
Guys, this is crazy. You're not adding in more paint.
Aw.
He blurbed like all of the color of paint right on the ground, which is very disappointing, actually.
What are you laughing about?
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna keep on mixing in my red. It's not.
We clean it up after the video.
No. Okay.
So I need to add more.
No, you're not adding more. Sorry. That looks like bread. Okay, we gotta show you. Oh. Guys, it's so funny. Okay, I'm just gonna put that back. I'm gonna go and get something to clean it up.
More.
No, that's nice.
Oh, it's a little yellow.
If you add more, I'm gonna tell you. I'm watching. Don't.
Alright. Mix.
Okay, guys, so he definitely does not know how to clean up. Yeah. Sorry, guys, it just looks so disgusting.
Yeah, cut out of the video.
Sorry, guys. Guys, that's gross. That's disgusting.
Okay.
Mars, I can't believe you literally. Oh, God. Okay, thank you. Oh my God.
Is that okay? I mixed them up.
Okay. I gotta go and get some water.
Time to mix Dolph Ziggler mode.
Meanwhile, he's like the one who made the mess, and he's there mixing up, happily mixing up his slime, while I'm cleaning up this disgusting mess.
Don't worry, kid. I can clean up. I think it's fun too.
If you spill that, I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Get out of the video. It's me.
Sorry, but I'm done cleaning up your thing, kid.
Right. Yeah, just do that after the video, right?
No.
Now.
It's gonna stain the floor. Gotta use this extra paper.
What? I did your one so well.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Next,
I'm like 8 minutes into the video and I've already gone into the slime
I'm
part.
gonna leap over.
Satisfying.
Stop. What are you doing? Okay, so.
Okay, now we can get on to the next part since your one isn't rubbed in. Mixed in.
Guys, I love this color of red. It's so pretty. No, we do not cap it. Next, I'm just gonna add a bit more red.
I'm gonna add much more yellow.
No. There's like barely any more yellow left in there, you know.
I can mix for you too.
No, stop. Okay, guys. So next we're gonna add some red. Some Tide. So this is the Tide, and we're just gonna add it in. The Tide will activate the slime, and you don't want to add too much because it's definitely gonna overactivate it, and you don't want to add too little because then it's gonna be super sticky. So you just kind of gotta find the right consistency, I guess. I made a mess of my life. Alright. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna add
water.
A little bit at a time.
Oh, it's just so disgusting.
That's turning into slime. That's your slime turning into slime. No, just keep on mixing it. Okay, guys, so mine's going
Can
pretty
I add more?
Sure.
Because I got so oh my god, so little. I need it to be so activated that I can barely stretch. Okay.
So, mine's turning out pretty well. Yours? Stop chunking it.
Why?
All you gotta do is mix it around. See, is it getting harder to mix?
No.
Oh.
This is fun.
Exactly.
Now it looks like yolk egg or something. Oh, it's this again.
Then just keep on adding Tide. Okay guys, so mine is super sticky. Mine's still very sticky, so I definitely cannot go through with my hands yet.
Okay, now I can play with it.
No, not yet, not yet. Do not go in with your hands.
Okay.
That's not smooth.
Thank.
Is it getting harder to mix? What are you doing now?
Red.
No.
Maybe I can have a bit of your slime in mine.
Yeah guys, I'm gonna start eating it with my hands.
Me too.
Better not make a mess. Okay guys, so far this is pretty good. I think you need more Tide.
I think I need more time. Okay, now this chops.
Okay guys, so mine's turning out pretty good. It looks like Valentine's Day slime for some reason. Okay,
Get off.
hold on. Let me try to mix
Put
it.
it in yours.
No. What did you do? Nope, you need more Tide still. Stop. Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I think you can knead it. Yep, you can knead it.
Yep, I can knead it.
Okay, so
Told you.
if it's too sticky, then just add a little bit of that at a time. Because if you add too much
No,
over,
you're adding it. Oh, feels disgusting.
that's the process. This is the process of making slime. Is it too sticky? I'm pretty sure that's too sticky. Is it too sticky?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I think so.
No, tell me, like, is it sticking to your hands?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why not?
Stop putting it in the bowl.
And guys, I'm about to get Robux if you're watching my Roblox, so then I will post more Roblox.
Okay, guys, so this is turning out pretty good. I love how this slime is going. This looks like a Valentine's Day slime, except there's like no like minifigures or whatsoever inside it. But it's very cool stuff.
Ah, my
Wait,
slime is so
okay.
good. Better than yours.
This is not sticky.
Then we must add more.
Okay, guys, so this is tough. Like, this is very tough.
That's because you added too much.
What?
So,
That's not to blame me.
it's tough. Thanks to her.
What? How's
greasy, fluffy slime.
But what are you doing?
I'm trying to get the sticky stuff off my hand.
It's sticky? If it's sticky,
No,
you can add
it
to it.
was sticky before.
Okay guys, so this is my slime. I love it. Meanwhile, I love the texture of this slime.
Me too.
So are you proud of yourself, or do you feel like you could have done better?
Sure, why not?
So I'm actually quite proud of him. Like, considering the first time ever making slime, that is good. For the first time ever.
What do you mean? Third time ever.
First.
Oh my god. Lucky it's not sticky.
Okay, do you want me to make it better?
Just stretch it.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go.
Luckily, it is squeezy. What are you doing?
Is it sticky for you?
No.
This is such a nice yellow, guys. Anyways,
Is it sticky for you?
if you guys like, which one do you guys prefer, the yellow or red one? Comment down below.
Yellow.
But hashtag team yellow, hashtag team red. But I'm gonna make these slimes a bit better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and add some dough. So I'll be right back.
What can we do in the commercial break? Kind of.
There you go. Just mix it in.
What's that stuff?
Just mix it in with your hands. It helps your slime.
Disgusting stuff.
Okay guys, so this is the dough.
Disgusting.
You're supposed to knead it with your hands.
I knew that.
If you don't need it, I'll knead it for you, Peter. Okay guys, so
It
this
feels like slime. It's like slimy.
is like when you add dough,
It's so
it turns
stretchy.
better. Exactly. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So it turns way better once you add dough. You don't have to add dough, but if it's like a little tough, you can, and it'll help it. So yeah. Okay guys,
Ooh,
so
picky too. Or farty.
we're also gonna be doing the same for glitter. So I'm gonna go get the glitter. Okay guys, so this is the glitter, and right now we're gonna draw from the thing for the glitter. Okay, pick out one. What is it? Red. Okay. Well, I guess you're using red glitter. Oh my god, I spilled glitter all over my feet. Okay, so you're just gonna take this and add in the glitter.
Why is it not working? It's half blue also.
I know.
It's green glitter.
I don't know why the red is not coming out.
What that means, we don't need to withdraw the glitter.
Well, okay, and now it's my turn. Yellow, what a coincidence! He got my color and I got his color. Well, there's not actually yellow in here, so I'm gonna use some gold.
I just have to click it. You know, it's like click, 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 click. You know.
Okay guys, so we've decided that we're gonna go in with another round just because.
Another one?
No, another round of glitter because they're not coming out, so we can't use red and yellow anymore.
This one slime took 20 minutes.
Orange, nice. Okay, I'm not sure if we want orange. We don't have orange, so you have to choose it.
No, then I choose all.
Mine is gold No, it doesn't come out.
Oh, the gold doesn't come out?
Yeah. Blue! Okay, well,
Okay.
I've got blue glitter. Okay, what about you?
I don't know.
What's that?
I've got perp.
Purple. Okay. So we've got like purplish, pinkish, but that's the best we can do. So,
Whoa!
that one goes out very well.
Look at that. Crazy.
Okay, the blue also goes out well. Okay, guys. So now we're just gonna mix in the glitter. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
They're so flicky. I'm gonna dip it in there. Good.
Yeah, this is like very pretty. I actually love how the red mixed with the blue glitter. How do you like your slime?
Yeah, sure.
Did you like it, or do you feel like you would prefer something else? I feel like I really loved how my slime turned out. I mean, at first, when I drew out blue, I thought, this is not gonna go. But it actually is going well. Like, it's turning out very nice. So, I'm very happy about that. Is it too sticky?
Iron Man.
Okay, guys, so now we're just gonna shift over everything. And we're gonna play with the slime, so it's just, oh. Okay, guys, so, ew. Guys, he just gave me the slime right in my face. Guys, do you see that? Don't worry, it's simple to get out on one strand, but not one strand, but like a little bit. But if it was my whole hair, I'd be very sad and mad. Okay, guys. Okay, well, we've shifted everything aside, and now we're gonna be playing with the slime. So let's go. Okay, so
Underneath that's the thing.
because once, if you guys don't know my friend Karina from Karina Gamer, she's not the Karina, she's a different Karina Gamer, not blonde hair, she has black hair, and she's my friend, and we do a lot of videos together, and like on her channel, like we were playing with slime on the floor, and she got hair and all these woody stuff in her slime, so that's why.
Is she in your class?
Yes, so that's why we're.
Is she in your school?
Yes. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna do slime ASMRs and play around with it. So,
What is her channel?
Karina Gamer.
Karina Gamer. Does that mean she plays games?
Guys.
What games? Roblox?
Click it. Click it. Ooh, that's got texture.
Roblox? Roblox?
Okay, guys,
Does she
that
play
was.
Roblox?
Hey, guys, so round one is clicking. Put your slime here.
Why?
Okay, now you gotta poke it. Okay, now my turn. Guys, who do you think won in clicking? Okay, second round is swirl. So now we're gonna make a swirl.
Oh. I don't want to make
Stretch and put it back.
Mm.
Fine, I'll help you a bit.
Luckily, I don't know how to make a swirl.
Okay, pass it to me.
So I can sit back and relax.
Yours is so tough. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing around with it. Okay, now you just gotta swirl it around like that. Okay?
My one is already better.
Okay, now swirl it around in any way you want. No. No, start from the middle. Okay, is that your swirl? Okay.
See, I tried to make a motorbike.
Okay, guys.
It was
His
on
swirl
purpose.
is my swirl. Comment down below.
This is my one.
No, that's mine, guys. This is the yellow
See?
one.
No.
No, no. Okay, guys. last but not
I'm gonna
least,
try
the
that.
final round is slime bubbles. So,
Oh.
okay, I'm
But
gonna.
my one's not clear. So how are we supposed to make that? Huh?
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put this slime on the ground, and once I got my slime, I'll lift it up and show you.
And comment down below if you can do the Deli Ali 3-finger thing. I can.
I cannot.
Think.
Okay, guys, so we're just not gonna do slime bubbles because yeah. But comment down below who slime won. What's your slime name? What's your team name for them to comment?
Team subscribe to me.
Okay, my one is called Team Red Unicorns. Okay, so team subscribe to me via Team Red Unicorns. Comment down below right now. Okay, so
Actually, I am team.
Okay.
Should I be Team Raw or Team SmackDown?
Go with Team SmackDown.
Team SmackDown.
Okay, so Team SmackDown or Team Red Unicorns.
If you're Team
comment down below.
SmackDown, if you're Team SmackDown, comment down below. If you are a
Team Red
Raw,
no, if you're
comment
Team
down below.
Red Unicorns, comment down below.
And if you're Team Raw, comment down below.
So
Because
guys,
I actually have no idea what trend Dolph Ziggler is this year, but whichever one, hopefully SmackDown.
you were lucky that didn't go to my
Ooh.
No! Guys!
Yes.
I'm so mad at you. No, I'm taking that back.
Oh.
No, stop.
Then can I at least have this one?
No.
Okay, let me have some red also. Then you can have some of my yellow.
Okay, fine.
See, works perfectly.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna feel his slime and he's gonna feel my slime. Okay, pretty tough.
Pretty tough.
But,
Why is
yeah.
the shower going? My God.
Well, thank you so much for letting me be in your channel, Cash, and
And thank you for watching.
this video.
Like,
hope you
subscribe,
guys,
click the notification bell if this ain't to work.
and we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for having me on, and I hope you guys enjoy having me on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy watching our slime videos together.
On Marius TV. I made it up from this TV.
Guys. Okay, guys. So, I think you did a pretty good job. I'm also happy with my results. Yeah, so we're going to show them final thing about the slime. And then, okay, guys, so look at this.
That is like an...
Guys, listen. No, listen to this. Hold on.
Ooh.
Okay, now put it together and squish it.
Play it in full volume right now. 3, 2, 1. What?
Okay, guys, get ready to put it on full volume.
Full volume. Click, click, click. 3.
No.
Alright, now. Full volume.
Okay, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy these slime videos.
And I think we are done.
So thank you guys so much for watching,
I have a
and
different container.
you gotta watch it. And I hope to see you guys soon. Hopefully you guys enjoy these videos, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye!